नमस्ते। चलिए देखते हैं फंक्शंस। फंक्शंस में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है। एक्सरसाइज 2.3 और मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज, इसके कुछ महत्वपूर्ण क्वेश्चन हैं। तो चलिए इस क्वेश्चंस को देखते हैं। सबसे पहले एक्सरसाइज 2.3 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को देखते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, एक्सरसाइज 2.3। Question number 2, exercise 2.3. Find the domain of the function. Find the domain of the real value of the function. So now in this, the first is given fx. This will be given, that is the equal to minus mod of x. Is a real function. So find the domain of the function. So now here you see this function is defined for all the real value. So this function is defined for all real value. So that domain of this is real number, and range of this. So now if you see here, range. You know that what range of this is what? This will be the domain is the positive, and the range is what? Domain is all real number, and mod of x is always positive. So that what? The range is the negative real number. Negative real number. So this is the first part. And second part, find the domain of the function fx equal to under root n minus x square in the real number. So now this function fx is defined in real number. Fx is defined in real number if 9 minus x square is greater than equal to 0. So now this will be greater than equal to 0. So we can write minus x square is greater than equal to minus 9, or x square is less than equal to 9. Now if you change the sign, multiply with the negative sign, then inequality is reversed. So that the value of x, now if you solve this, then you get plus 3 and minus 3. So then we can write the value of x, minus 3 less than x is less than 3. The x lies between minus 3 and 3. The domain of the function f is closed interval minus 3 to 3 in this. So now let us see what is the range of this second. Domain of this is minus 3 and 3. So now in this, if you write the 3, then you get what? Then you get the value of y. Here we can replace this y equal to under root 9 minus x square. Now if we write x equal to minus 3 or 3, then you get what? Then we get y equal to 0. And if the minimum value of this, if x equal to 0, then if x equal to 0, then y equal to 3. It means that range of the function is what? 0 to 3. The range of the function is what? 0 to 3. How to write 0? Then 3. The range of the function is 0 to 3. So this is the range and this will be the domain. In this way we can find the domain and range. Here from this we can also discuss y square equal to 9 minus x square. Now here you see y square, here you see x square equal to 9 minus y square. So now if x is what? If the left hand side is always positive, so that right hand side is, this will be always positive. Since left hand side is always positive, then RHS right hand side 9 minus y square is greater than 0. It means that y square is less than 9 and y square is less than 3. It means that what? This explains that this y is 3, then this explains that the range is what? Range is lies between 0 and 3. In the question number 5, it will be given fx equal to 2 minus 3x, x belongs to R, x is defined the range of each of the following. Question number 5, find the range fx equal to 2 minus 3x, x belongs to R. To find the range of this function, the domain is the R. The range of this function is what? Domain is the R. The range of this function is what? Now if x belongs to R, x is 0, then the maximum value of this is 2. The maximum value is 2. If x is 0, now if x is 0, then here fx, this will be what? Fx is 2. And the other value, now if x is greater than 0, and if x is greater than 0, then fx is less than 0. It means that range is what? Range is lies between less than 0, means range area. Range of this is lies between minus infinity to 2. This is the range of this function. Okay, so this is the first part. Second part, question number 5. Second part, question number 5. in fx x square plus 2. If x equal to 0, if x equal to 0, then fx equal to 2. Here you see x is always greater than 0. If x is 0, then x square, since x square is always positive. Therefore, always positive and greater than 2. So that the range of this is what? All positive real numbers. But this range of f is what? The always positive and minimum value. Minimum value of positive is 0, so that the range is 2 to infinity. The range of this is 2 to infinity. रेंज क्या हो जाएगा? 2 to infinity, क्योंकि x स्क्वायर सदा पॉजिटिव है. मिनिमम वैल्यू x का क्या होगा? 0 रखेंगे तो fx का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, तो fx का वैल्यू मिनिमम 2 आएगा. तो 2 से लेकर के जब भी x चाहे नेगेटिव रखें चाहे पॉजिटिव, 2 से अधिक ही आएगा वैल्यू. तो 2 से अधिक आएगा तो 2 से लेके इंफिनिटी तक इसका वैल्यू है रेंज. तो इसका रेंज 2 to infinity. ये हो गया. इसके बाद है fx इक्वल टू x. तो फाइंड द रेंज ऑफ थर्ड है fx equal to x belongs to R. The domain is given R and range is what? R. The range of this function is always R, real number. Range of this is always R, the real number. So all the real number is the range of this function. That is the range. X belongs to R, so that the range of this function is all real numbers. Now let us see question number 3, page 46. Question number 3, page 46. Find the domain of the function x square plus 2x plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 8x plus 12. This is the fx. Find the domain of the function. So to find the domain of the function, now you see fx is defined, this function is defined if x square minus 8x plus 12 not equal to 0. Factorize this. Now if you factorize, then you get x minus 6, x minus 2 is not equal to 0. This implies that इसका हम फैक्टर करेंगे x minus 6, x minus. ये फंक्शन तभी डिफाइंड है जब डिनोमिनेटर नॉट इक्वल टू 0. जब डिनोमिनेटर 0 होगा तो फंक्शन डिफाइंड नहीं होगा. जैसा कि आप रेशनल फंक्शंस के पढ़ चुके. A rational function is in the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0. So this will be not equal to 0. Then it is defined. तो यहाँ हो गया x not equal to 0 होगा और x not equal to 2 होगा, x not equal to 6 होगा. Except 6 and 2. Except 2 and 6, the domain of the function is are real number. 2 और 6 को छोड़ करके सभी रियल नंबर इसका डोमेन होगा, क्योंकि 2 और 6 पर ए फंक्शन डिफाइन नहीं है. The domain of this function is r minus 2 and 6. 2 and 6 ये हो गया डोमेन ऑफ द फंक्शन. ठीक, थर्ड हो गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हो गया, फाइंड द रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, फाइंड द रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन f(x) equal to under root x minus 1. Find the range of the function x minus 1. So f(x) is defined. f(x) is defined. Find the domain and range of the function f(x) root x minus 1. The f(x) is defined when, क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए. नेगेटिव होगा तो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर हो जाएगा, रियल नंबर नहीं होगा. -1 आ जाएगा, रूट -2 -3. तो रूट -1 रूट -2 ये रियल नंबर नहीं. तो दिस फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड व्हेन x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. It means that x is greater than equal to 1. The domain is what? Domain of this function is 1 to infinity. The domain of function हो गया, domain of function 1 to infinity. ये डोमेन हो गया. और रेंज क्या हो जाएगा? रेंज देखिए, यहाँ 1 रखे तो ये 0 आएगा, 1 रखे तो 0 आएगा, 1 रखे 0 आएगा. तो रेंज इज ग्रेटर देन 1. तो रेंज क्या हो जाएगा? 0. 1 रखे तो 0, मिनिमम वैल्यू होगा 1. तो 1 रखे तो 0 आएगा. तो 1 रखे रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन ये हो गया 0. 1 रखे तो 0 आए. 2 रखे सदा पॉजिटिव नंबर है. 2 रखे 3 रखे 2 आएगा. 3 रखे रूट 2 आएगा. 4 रखे 2 आएगा. इस तरह से तो रेंज क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं इसका वैल्यू y लेकर के एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. इफ इन द प्लेस ऑफ x, you write y, तो y square equal to x minus 1. तो y square is always positive, so that range is the 0 to infinity. Here in place of f(x), if you write y under root x square minus 1, here y square equal to x minus 1. The left hand side is always positive, and so right hand side is always positive. And x is 0, the left hand side, right hand side is always positive. So that y is always greater than equal to 0. This so that y is always greater than 0, so that range of this function is 0 to infinity. The range क्या होगा? 0 से infinity होगा. Question number 5 है f(x) equal to mod of x minus 1. f(x) equal to mod of x minus 1. f(x) equal to mod of x minus 1. To find the domain and range of the real function. f(x) equal to mod of x minus 1. a. तो इसका डोमेन क्या होगा? डोमेन देखिए, ऑल रियल नंबर. तो दिस फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड फॉर ऑल रियल नंबर. तो आप सीधे लिख सकते हैं डोमेन इज ऑल रियल नंबर. एंड रेंज क्या होगा? रेंज ऑफ दिस फंक्शन इज, आप देखिए mod, तो mod is what? Always positive. The mod is always positive, so that the range is what? mod is always positive, so that range is mod is always positive, so that range is all positive real number. तो ये हो गया रेंज. अब question number 6. In this question, it will be given question number 6. F is a function. F is a function x and x square plus 1. This will be given, and where x belongs to R, so that x belongs to R. This will be given, x belongs to R, be a function from R to R. Determine the range of this function, So determine this is a function, find the range of this function, or if the real number, a function दिया हुआ है x स्क्वायर प्लस 1, हमें रेंज फाइंड आउट करना है. यहाँ x देखिए डोमेन हो गया fx हमारा इसमें दिया हुआ है, fx दिया हुआ है x स्क्वायर प्लस 1. हमें रेंज फाइंड आउट करना है. fx के स्थान पर y लिखते हैं, और x स्क्वायर ये हो गया x स्क्वायर प्लस 1. हम x के फॉर्म में चेंज करते हैं इसको. ये हो गया हमारा y x स्क्वायर प्लस y इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर. ठीक, हम x के फॉर्म में चेंज करते हैं. यहाँ हमारा हो गया y x स्क्वायर माइनस y x स्क्वायर. टेक द x स्क्वायर इज कॉमन. यहाँ हमारा हो गया y इक्वल टू 1 माइनस y x स्क्वायर. अब y यहाँ हो गया y on 1 minus y, this will be x square. In this, x square is always positive. X square, since here what happened? Since in this since x square is always greater than 0, because this will be positive. So this will be positive. So it is always greater than 0. Therefore, what happened? Y 1 minus y is greater than 0. y1 upon 1 minus y is greater than 0. It means that what? That is y equal to 0. Either y equal to 0, this y equal to 0, and y equal to 0, x square is greater than equal to 0, then y upon 1 minus y. Y upon 1 minus y, this will be what? Y minus 1 upon y, that is the greater than equal to 0, where y equal to 0, and 1 minus y is greater than 0. So 1 minus y is greater than 0, minus y is greater than minus 1, y is less than 1. It means that our range is what? Find the range in these functions from R to R. Determine the range of the function. To find the range of this function, y less than 1 and y equal to 0. It means that range of f is what? Y less than 1, y equal to 0 and 1. Y equal to 0 and 1. The range of this function is 0 and 1. So this is the question number what? Question number 6. So now one question number 8. चलिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पेज 46. Question number 8 page 46. Question number 8 page 46. In this question it will be given f is a function 1 1 2 2 0 minus 1. F is a function in this way 1 1. In this way f is a function. F is a function. Here you see f is a function 1 1 2 3 0 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 1 1 1 2 3 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3. This is the function, and this function is defined fx, so that fx is defined. A function fx is given ax plus b. This is a function. F is a function given ax equal to b. In this way, f is a function and fx is given. This relation is given ax plus b. Find the value of a and b. So to find the value of a and b, now here you see first coordinate is x. यहाँ पहला coordinate x का है, दूसरा coordinate fx का है, दूसरा coordinate y का है. जैसे x है, ये x है, ये y है. अगर हम यहाँ y लिखते हैं, ये हो जाएगा हमारा ax plus b. फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट x है, सेकेंड कोऑर्डिनेट y. अगर हम यहाँ x1 रखते हैं तो ये हो गया a प्लस b, सेकेंड हो गया y. तो ये हमारा हो गया फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. दूसरे में ले x का वैल्यू यहाँ 2 रखते हैं, यहाँ हमारा हो गया 2a प्लस b और fx का वैल्यू या y 3 हो गया है. तो ये हमारा इक्वेशन हो गया 3. अब इन दोनों इक्वेशन को हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. यहाँ हमारा हो गया a प्लस b इक्वल टू 1 और 2a प्लस b इक्वल टू 3. इस तरह की इक्वेशन बहुत आप सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. सॉल्व कर लीजिए. चेंज द साइन माइनस a and c. This will be minus 2. A equal to 2. Now you get the value of A equal to 2. Write A in equation 1. Write A equal to 2 in equation 1. Write A in 1. You get, if you write A is 2, then you get what? B is minus 1. You get this value. You get A equal to 2 and B equal to minus 1. So this will be the question number 8. Now let us see one more question, and that is the last question of this miscellaneous exercise. Question number 12, page 47. Question number 12. Saving. Well, 47 इसमें दिया हुआ है A. A is a set. A is the set. In this way, this set is given. But 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. This set is ठीक. and a function is defined from A to N. F is a function defined from A to N. F is a function defined from A to N such that this Fn is the what? Fn is the highest prime factor of N. 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 The A to N F9. तो 9 का हाईएस्ट प्राइम फैक्टर क्या होगा? 9 का फैक्टर क्या होगा? 3 3. तो 9 हाईएस्ट प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ N. तो हमारा रेंज क्या हो जाएगा? रेंज ऐसे भी आप कर सकते हैं, यहाँ ये इधर कर सकते हैं, ये कर सकते हैं. 9 हो गया, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 का फैक्टर हाईएस्ट 3 हो गया. 10 का प्राइम फैक्टर हाईएस्ट 5. 11 का 11. 12 का हाईएस्ट प्राइम फैक्टर 3 होगा, तो 3 इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. 13 का 13. The highest prime factor A फंक्शन डिफाइन. A F is a function. ये हमारा A हो गया, A N. तो the highest prime factor of N. The highest prime factor क्या हो गया? 3, 5, 11 and 13. So what is the range? Range of F is what? 3, 5, 11 and 13. तो ये हमारा रेंज होगा, क्योंकि कह रहा है हाईएस्ट प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ N. ठीक, तो इस तरह से ये फंक्शंस की कुछ क्वेश्चंस महत्वपूर्ण हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं, एग्जाम्पल्स आप करिएगा, और कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा तो हम जब भी मिलेंगे डिस्कस कर लेंगे. थैंक यू.